Good morning, lovelies. Happy Tuesday. Also, a happy first day of September. What? Where did summer go? I'm not ready for it to be over yet. It's my favorite time of the year. And I do love fall. However, I also hate it because then it means winter's coming and I can't stand winter. I am just not made for it. It can snow on Christmas Eve, there can be snow on Christmas Day, and then it can be gone, and that's it. And then we can go right back to summer. If only I controlled the climate. Anywho, happy Tuesday and first day of September. What? We will draw for the August giveaway later today, just not this morning. I wanted to pop on quickly and just say hello, good morning. Yeah, and show you this fabulous look I did today. I'm actually very happy with it. I feel like I could have gone slightly darker in my crease area, but I didn't, but I think I could have. So again, I used the CC cream, but first I put on the VFX Pro Camera Ready Primer. This is amazing. If you are a little bit on the drier side, you can definitely use the Strobe Primer. It's the purple primer. This one is better for oily skin, which we know I have in that T-zone. So CC cream, and like always now, it's my now go-to, couple drops of the tea tree serum. Again, I strongly encourage you all to invest in this, especially if you're wearing a mask every day. It will help control breakouts. Use it as a toner. Put a couple drops in your foundation. And I have a hair that is like tickling. Nope, now it's there. Okay, I think it's still on my hand somewhere, but squirrel. Was there a shiny object? No, just a hair. This is amazing. Use it as a toner. Put it on a cotton pad after you've, cleansed. Wipe it on your face, and then go on with the rest of your treatments, either serums or moisturizer, and 2 drops in your foundation. Lifesaver. I freaking love this. Then I did a light pink kind of a blush for my eyes. This very dramatic, it's not really Cleopatra, but I'm like getting a Cleopatra vibe. I don't know if it's like also my hair being up. But I used the Morphe 35C Everyday Chic palette. I really love this palette. These colors are just gorge. So, I started with the color Be My Guest. It's just a nice, soft, slight shimmer, like neutral pale color. And I used that right under my brow bone and then came down just a little bit with that. Then I came in with Total Mood, and I lightly applied that all up onto my brow bone and just really buffed that out all the way across up the top there. Then I came back in with my primer. I'd already put that on, but I came back in and did a cut crease right here in this area, and I came in first with this beautiful pink. It's called Melt Hearts, and I patted that in. Then to create this kind of ombre right here, I used, that says Enamored, and I also used On My Way. So I mixed these 2 colors and patted that right here in the center. Then I came in with, who are you? Heels On. Now this is a really beautiful smoky color. Oop, turn the palette. That has like a burgundy kind of shimmer in it. So I came in with that and smoked out this corner and kind of blended out just a little bit of that cut crease I had made. I smoked it out down here. For my eyeliner, I used the Extra Last, and I tight lined my upper waterline and my lower waterline, and then came back in with that Heels On and pressed that in to really smoke that out. I came back in with the Melt Hearts and brightened up this inner corner here. Then for this fabulous wingy dingy, I used the ink liner. This is amazing. I love this ink liner. Finished it off with some Zen. Then I went real zhuzhy for my lips today. I used 226. I believe this got discontinued, but I do love this color. There are 2 good substitutes you could use. They are 227 and which is this one, and I think 225. I don't know that I have 225. No, 221. That's another good sub for 226. But anyway, I used 226 today. And that was loud. I lined my lips first with the dark and then filled in the outer edges. Put on the Pink Club, that's number 02. Then I came back in and just touched up areas that I needed to darken, and then finished it off with the highlighter palette, that pink color right there in the center, just to kind of give it a little bit more dimension, and then finished off my look with the pink highlighter. I felt like just being really glowy today, so I put lots on. I'm very glowy. So yeah, so that's my look on this Tuesday. Yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful week. Like I said, we will draw later today for the winner of the August giveaway. I'm super pumped for that. Yeah, make sure that you know, be kind to yourself, be kind to others. You never know what someone else is going through, so always show kindness, even when it's really hard and you just want to like, at them. You know what I mean? Just try and be kind. I think everyone's going through crazy stuff right now with COVID. The world's just topsy-turvy. So be positive, be kind. Go kick some butt today, because you're amazing, you are strong, you are bold, you are worthy, and you can do freaking anything, okay? Tell yourself that in the mirror. Give yourself some affirmations. I'm gonna go do some more myself, because I really need them this week. So thanks for tuning in to my nonsense in the mornings. Yeah, and we'll see you next time. Bye.